Alright, so I am removing the bolts on underneath the spoiler here so I can start my first oil change on Delta. I can't do it with my right hand though because I don't know. Well, I already messed up because I was supposed to have the oil warm, but I didn't follow directions right because they weren't written in a way I understood. So the oil has already drained, though the engine was not warm. Uh-oh. Drip out little oil. Leave my bike, you dirty, dirty, dirty oil, you. We'll put some clean oil in you. Alright, I've got the oil filter out. It's really dirty. You can see it in there. Look at that old oil. It's all brown. And I got all my new parts here, so I'm going to find my new O-ring here, my gasket. There we go. Alright, check out this new oil filter versus this really dirty old one. Ew, get that out of my motorcycle. Alright, it's set at 12 Newton meters. Ooh, there goes yellow.
Keep going slow, slow, slow until it beats green. There you go. That's it.
Awesome. I don't know why I'm nervous. I'm not going anywhere, right? Get in there, oil.
Just take your time. You're doing
so
great.
Nice and clean. 15 seconds is the max. Alright, I put 1.5 liters of oil in there, and now we're letting it run through one heat cycle. Before I add the rest of the oil. Alright, I finished. She's all good to go. Oil's changed, and I put the lower fairing back on, and she's all done. I did it.